My name is Dennis Jones. I am the co-founder and CEO of FillTech USA. FillTech USA is a FDA full CGMP compliant facility. We manufacture SPF and non-SPF products, along with a lot of different type of gels and emulsions. Basically, we are, at this point, we manufacture a little 45 different products out of our facility. FillTech is a very unique manufacturing company. We have the ability to do a turnkey product for anyone that is beginning a new business or someone that's been in business for a long period of time. I know a lot of companies come to us and they want to start a new product. And we're in a position to where, because we believe in hands-on, of having people working with us, rather than all machinery, we take the best equipment available, but also we combine that with an incredible working staff. So every piece of product is touched through the process. So we can take an idea. We can go from an idea to the formulation to all of the raw material blended together to come up with unique products, anywhere from a small manufacturing production line all the way up to 25 to 50 million. FillTech is not a new company. They started in 1995. And basically we're in the lip balm business and have worked with some of the largest companies in the world. But in 2008, we began to add different products to the entire line, to where now we have SPF and non-SPF products, we have emulsions, we do alcohol-free sanitizer and gels. We do a lot of different products, especially coming out of the aesthetic business. For all the years that my wife and I have been in the business, we are now manufacturing a lot of different products for the dermatology industry, plastic surgery industry. We do a lot of private label products for a lot of different companies, well-known companies, national brand companies. But we also manufacture our own products. And one thing that makes us unique is that we can take a product from concept through manufacturing. We can develop, because of having in-house chemists working on site, develop the formulations and go through the entire process and offer a turnkey solution to anyone's idea or product line. But we're also developing our own products now that are really exciting. The Lord has really been good to us, and we are just growing over the last few years, leaps and bounds, to where we're at a point right now that where we're purchasing property next door. We're looking at expansion of a new facility. We're looking to upgrade even the products that we're doing now. We're in a position where we do OTCs, and being an FDA facility, we can accommodate a lot of different companies' products, but we want to even bring that up another level. So we're looking to expand over the next 18 months and to tripling the size of our existing plant. My wife and I have been in the aesthetic industry for most of our lives. I've been in it more than 45 years. And we've had our products manufactured through our med spas and all of our different companies for many, many years in North Carolina. Coming to North Carolina and looking at this plant a few years back, when we first came in, we really didn't have any intentions of getting into the manufacturing business. But when we met the women next door, what we saw was 12 women that were working so hard behind the machines. They had been there 8, 9, and 10 years working through a temp agency. Most of them, that's the only job that they ever knew. And when we sat down with the manager, I'll never forget this. We looked at her and she said, "Are you thinking of buying this plant?" And we said, "Well, we don't know. Well, let me ask you this. If we were to buy the plant, we would want to take y'all out from underneath the temp agency, and we'd want all of you to be part of the company, and we would either sink or swim together. Would you or the women have any problem with that?" And when she looked up at us, and we'll never forget it, tears were flowing down her face, and she said, "You mean that you would want us?" And when she said that, the Lord just broke our heart. And at that point, FillTech became more of a mission to us than it was just a business, because we've always believed it's not about just building businesses. It's about working and building in people's lives. And people in turn build communities. People in turn build businesses that ultimately change communities, states, and hopefully they change different conditions in the world. So that's been our vision of being a part of not only building a company, but helping to change a community. We are all USA products. We have tripled our employment since we've been there, and our plans are to go far beyond that and help build a community here in North Carolina.